Hi, welcome to another tutorial wherein we will show you how to install DHCP role on your Windows 2003 R2 Enterprise Edition. Let's start. We're here on our Windows 2003 environment. Manage your server. Let's click Add or Remove Role. Let's click Next. On your screen, you can see Detecting Settings for Local Area Connection. Requirement to ng DHCP server. Kung wala kang LAN or any network, hindi siya andar. So, that's why it's a prerequisite na you have a local area connection. And let's click Custom Configuration. Click Next. And we'll choose DHCP server. Yan. Let's click Next. Then, let's click Next. Then the installation window will pop up on our screen. Tandaan, ulitin ko po ang role ng DHCP server. So, sa buong network, ito na yung magmamanage ng IP address. So, ulitin ko, kailangan meron kang network na existing. And also, kung may router ka, you have to disable the DHCP. Then, magpa-pop up na yung new scope na window. So, we will add a new scope for our DHCP server. So, in the name, I'll put demo scope. Description, syempre, kahit ano yan. Description na lang. Ayan. Let's click next. And here, we will start to configure the starting IP address. So, I'll put 10.8.2.1 on my case, 10.8.2.10. So, ilan ng IP na nilagay ko? So, from 1 to 10. So, 10 lang available. And dito naman sa scope na to, ito yung mga exclusions. So, kung gusto mong mag-exclude ng IP, kumbaga naka-reserve siya, hindi siya makukuha ng iba, pwede mo siyang ilagay dito. But dito, on this tutorial, hindi ko na siya ipapakita. Just to try. Let's click next. And this naman yung duration ng DHCP. So, 8 days. Mahabang-mahaba yan. And this part, do you want to configure DHCP option for this scope now? Meron kang dalawang option. Is either yes or no. We'll choose no. I will configure it later. To verify, let's back. And let's click no, and then next, finish. And that's it. Congratulations, meron tayong DHCP server and DHCP role sa 2003 server natin na to. Ayan, kita nyo, DHCP. So, ito na yung ating machine, CS261. And sa scope, and we'll right click on the scope. And let's click extend ko ng konti sa scope, and let's click activate. Yan. Okay na. We have now our DHCP role on this machine. And thank you for watching.